Hello everyone, today we will discuss about a question from GATE 2025. The question is from linear algebra. The question says that let W be the vector space over R set of all real numbers consisting of all bounded real valued solutions of the differential equation. Fourth order differential equation this. Then the dimension of W is what? Now here the differential equation is d4y dx4 plus 2 into d2y dx2 plus y is equal to 0. Now first we have to find the solution of this differential equation. Auxiliary equation. Now suppose y is equal to e to the power mx is auxiliary equation. Then put the values of y in this differential equation. We get m to the power 4 plus 2m squared plus 1 is equal to 0. This implies m square plus 1 whole square is equal to 0. This means m is equal to plus minus I plus minus I. Therefore, the solution of this differential equation yx is equal to c1 plus c2x into cos x plus c3 plus c4x into sin x. Now here W is the vector space consisting of all bounded real valued solution, but this solution is not bounded because here x is present and x is not bounded. So the condition for y to be bounded is that C2 and C4 must be equal to 0. Therefore, W contains all the solution of this differential equation of the form yx is equal to c1 cos x plus c3 sin x. Because if x is present, then this y is not bounded. So, it does not belong to the vector space W. And this y must be belongs to W, and W is equal to c1 cos x plus c3 sin x such that c1 and c3 belongs to real number. These are two arbitrary constants. This is the vector space of W. This is the vector space W. Now, here c1 and c3 are variable and it varies over all real number. Cos x and sin x are linearly independent. So, basis of this vector space W is contains two elements sin x and cos x. Basis of W is this. Therefore, these two are linearly independent. Therefore, dimension of W must be equal to 2. So, the correct answer is 2. Thank you.